Smile. What you said? Ate Tingkay said, Tuklay is so pretty, Mama. That's what she said. The Ate Tingkay is pretty like me, like you. I need to brush your teeth. It's color gold again. Say I love you, Ate Tingkay. Come on, say because it's her birthday. Say hello, Ate Tingkay. Come on. Say happy birthday. Say happy Tingkay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ate Tingkay. Come on. Because she will watch this video on her Facebook. Yeah. And then she said you're so pretty. And she's so pretty too, like
Me.
But I need to brush your teeth because you keep on eating that cheese. What did you eat? Cheetos? Cheetos? Makes your teeth yellow. Say happy birthday, Ate Tingkay. And Ate Balanday. And Ate Insik.
Trying to dig it out.
They are your ates and they are so pretty like
Me.
Ay, your ate Pakdat is so pretty also.
It's like
Ate Maika, that's Ate Pakdat. She's also pretty. You wanna see her?
yes.
Someday she will come here. Ate Pakdat. You will go roaming around? Huh? Huh?
Yes.
You will go with your ate, go roaming around. And she's so pretty, good Lord. And she got a tan skin like you. And she always make a joke, make you laughing like this. Oh. Can you laugh like her?
Yes.
Come on, laugh. Look at your little brothers digging again the poo-poo of a cat. They're so crazy.
So crazy.
Daddy's coming and you're not ready yet.
We didn't change our dresses.
Yeah, oh, we keep on digging the poo-poo of a cat there. He's worse than a squirrel. Look at that! It goes to your eyes again. Good Lord.
Why the bull breaks the horns of
Bukoy.
how makes it nothing not. You're the nana.
Come on, let's sing. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Tingkay. Balanday. Ate Insik. Say how old are you? Say love you.
I love you.
From your pretty sister, Chloe. Come on. I show your. Can you show to Ate Tingkay your necklace? Hey, look, Ate Tingkay. I got a necklace like yours. See? See that? See that, Ate? See, that's my necklace like Ate Tingkay because she's pretty like
Me.
very good. Don't keep on smiling. You show your teeth very yellow. Not yellow, it's gold. Can we brush your teeth now?
No.
Good Lord, you keep on eating that Cheetos, make your teeth yellow.
Make yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow. And then you want to yellow all around the world.
Show them that you know how to sing. to fly. Oops, okay.